everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I'm back today with my very first Halloween makeup tutorial for the year 2020. Now, I do have a couple of Halloween looks in mind. Some of them I will be filming for you guys. The rest I will just be uploading pictures on Instagram. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram so you can see when I post those pictures. But today's look is like a GLAM pumpkin slash jack-o'-lantern. I think that's how you say it. But this is the look that I created. I did use another picture for reference, and I'm so happy that this look came out good on the first try because unfortunately, I literally filmed this look this morning. I was supposed to do it days ago, but I literally filmed it this morning. So if it wouldn't have came out the way that I needed to on the first try, I probably would have cried because it's last minute. But it did come out the way I expected it, so I absolutely love that. But aside from that, this is a collab, and this collab is with my best friend's mom, Rhonda. She is new to YouTube. Her YouTube channel is Rhonda's Glam Corner. So I will leave her link down below in the description box so you guys can check her out. The video might be semi all over the place because I started off not talking, then I talked, then I didn't. And it might be a little long. I will try my best to edit it down as short as possible, okay? But, you know, even if it is long, y'all can sit through and y'all can watch it, okay? Do that for me. But that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. So y'all saw me apply my eyeshadow. I went ahead and applied my foundation and concealer, and I did contour. So today I used my Nars Natural Radiant foundation. This is in Tahoe. Then of course I used my e.l.f. concealer and my Nars creamy concealer to highlight, and I used my e.l.f. to contour. So as y'all saw in the beginning, I used all three of my Crayon Case palettes. I used the Ross Sauce eyeshadow palette, which has been discontinued. I use the box of crayons and I use the matte book. So I'll be using these again to create the look that I'm going for. So I'm gonna go in with my Raw Sauce eyeshadow palette in the same shade that I use on my eyes, Moonlight. I'm going to use that. Now I'm gonna go into the matte book. I'm gonna use this orange right here, and I'm gonna use the same brush and just put that on top. Hopefully what I'm trying to do, I can do, because y'all know me. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with my ABH liquid lipstick in Midnight and apply that on my lips first. But I'm going to line it with my Wet n Wild. So now I'm just gonna take this and make my, what is it, the Lateran? I'm probably saying it wrong. But the, you know, the little mouth. So y'all pray for me, because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. liner and just, I don't know, make it look more realistic, I guess. I don't know what I'm trying to do. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush, my highlighter, and set under my eye. So of course I'm gonna speed through that process for you guys. So. I still need to do my little nose, but I'm gonna go in with my box of crayons and take the shade Orange, since it's like a shimmer, same shade that I used on my eyes, and kind of just bring out that contour that I need. go in with the black in the crayon case box of crayons and just put that on top of my nose and also right here. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX and just, I don't know, I'm just gonna do some stuff and freestyle the rest. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes finally. Spray my face and that's it. So today's lashes, I am using I think it's NuvèLuxx Raw. This is Dramatic Collection. This lash is Statement. I do have a code for you guys to use to get some points off. So be sure to check the description box below.